In this video, I will explain how this course is going to be structured in order to reach the main goal of achieving the necessary fluency to have a successful job interview. Remember that nobody wants to learn an additional language just for the simple fact of doing it. There has to be a bigger purpose than that. In these moments, I hope that you already have an idea what that purpose is. So, after the introductory videos of this section, you will learn what are the skills that successful people learning languages manage to master. I refer to the skills that allow them to have a winning mentality, a mind that only accepts to learn the additional language regardless of the obstacles. You will also know how to search for information to get some basic knowledge about how to search on the internet, which is going to be a very important skill. In section 3, we will define a strategy to start using the resources that you will find on the internet. Here we will include the material and psychological resources you need to have. In section 4, we are going to begin to fully use the resources for beginners, or at least the resources designed for people with basic knowledge of English. I will not only talk about the resources on the internet. There are also physical resources, such as books, which you can obtain quite easy, and I'll tell you how to do it and also where to find them. In section 5, I will show you some resources that you can use when you have reached an advanced level. These resources are going to be the most interesting, because they will allow you to enjoy the new world that opens when you begin to understand and express in English. In the section 6, you will learn how to be the best in the job interview in English. This will be your great opportunity to put into practice everything you learned. Then, at the moment when you are in front of the interviewer, you will have the confidence to be the best among all the aspirants. As you can see, this is not a common course on the English language. It is a course that can help you learn other important things for your life. I assure you that the decision you made to learn this language will give you incredible rewards and a sensation of satisfaction difficult to describe.